From the Fish Stick accessory kit, this is the Whisk adapter for pushing past little obstacles and that sort of thing. I've got a bit of a lip as my ceiling transitions over drywall on an inside run that I'm doing for speaker wires. And previously I had kind of a bump there. I can feel it transitioning over that bump. It's of course a hard thing to take a picture of, but it helps slide past right past those obstacles pretty easily. Pulling this back out, the accessory kit comes with not only the Whisk but a hook and a bullet as well. The bullet and hook, by the way, do come with the Fish Stick kit. Each kit of 3 5-foot poles comes with one bullet and one hook, but you get an extra one with the Whisk kit. Or if you buy the single fish sticks, you probably wouldn't get the bullet and hook. But 3 accessories with the accessory kit, nice deal, available at Home Depot.